for the evening.
I obviously did
So our next award is the Biggest Loser Award. So this goes to the person who lost the most.
Oh my God!
Our nominees are our next nominee. Our third nominee.
See? Talagang gusto mo natin. See?
Our last nominee.
Ano ba yan?
OJ.
Biggest loser.
Yung naman sa OJ, first year na, may pwede na para sa grade 7, grade 8.
Anyway, the winner is. Please come here together. Award.
You need to go here and tell me your secret. Alam mo na kasama.
Is there anything you'd like to say, JJ?
Sa mga bumoto, please stop giving me food. Sa mga hindi bumoto, thank you. And all I did was Starbucks diet.
See? I told you! Stalker! Mautang!
Okay.
Nakawalan ng...
So I'll give JJ another round of applause. Our next award is the Bloomer Award. This goes to the person with the most changed face. I don't know how else to explain this. Just look at the pictures for yourself. Our first nominee, Hubert. Uy, kaklase natin yan.
Nasa din yung prep.
Prep at grade 1. Yeah. Vandalisay.
Next, sa Bobby.
Wala nangyari, gago!
Anyway.
Mali yung picture!
Our third nominee,
Sam. Christina.
and our final nominee, Alexis. And the winner is
Alexis.
Hubert.
Okay?
Wait, Vandalisay.
Sa number 2 ng prep. Talagang ma-assure natin sa inyo na nag-change talaga yung mukha niya. From a very, very cute and innocent young boy to Hubert Hiddens. Salamat kay Kalayan at Ibibelo for... Inamin mo pa ng peke transformation. Ay,
Let's give him another round of applause. And our final award,
Our last award is...
the John Lloyd Award. We're Sir Joke students. So,
Ano kami certain students? Medyo reserve lang para mag-explain mo.
from our understanding, it has something to do with leveling up.
Pag lumilevel up ka daw.
Parang step function daw. I don't know who told me that.
Hindi ko na maintindihan yung step back.
Step back.
Maybe
Anyway, our nominees are
Nicolo and Diana.
our second nominee,
Beth at Cruz.
our third nominee.
Bobby.
Wait lang, I think I remember the explanation na. It has something to do with like being more noticeable. Whatever. Anyway, and the fourth nominee is.
Isabel Rivera.
And
The winner is...
Isabel.
Is... Nicolo.
Marius. So, Nicola, is there anything you'd like to say? Yes.
As always, I am. I'm at loss for words, so thank you. Wait lang. Who's the award
Nicolas just standing there.
Ano yun?
He doesn't mind. Minsan is tayo stage. There's nice stage.
Since lagi siyang speechless, well, ang taba niya ng second year, ang gwapo na niya ngayon.
So this concludes
The Grand Ball
the
Award.
Rebel Awards.
Before we go, we're going to introduce the last performance. We're going to have a performance from Camille Lames and Randy Garamana again. So,